The world is changing. Around us, a silent revolution is unfolding. It's not a revolution of people, but of things. This is the Internet of Things, a vast and growing network of devices, all connected and communicating with each other. From the smartphones in our pockets to the sensors in industrial plants, billions of devices are already part of this digital web. The concept of IoT started modestly. Early examples included connected vending machines, reporting their inventory in real time. But the true potential of IoT lay dormant until recent years. The falling cost of sensors and the rise of high-speed internet have been game changers. Suddenly, connecting everyday objects became not just possible but affordable and practical. This interconnectedness brings incredible benefits. Imagine a world where traffic flows smoothly, guided by smart traffic lights that adapt to real-time conditions. Picture hospitals where medical equipment sends vital data directly to doctors, enabling faster and more accurate diagnoses. This is the promise of IoT, a promise of increased efficiency, convenience, and even safety. The impact of IoT is being felt far and wide, transforming industries in ways we are only beginning to understand. In our homes, smart thermostats and lighting systems are making our lives more comfortable and energy efficient. Wearable fitness trackers and smart appliances are becoming commonplace, collecting data about our health and daily habits. Businesses are also harnessing the power of IoT. Retailers are using smart shelves to track inventory and personalize customer experiences. Manufacturers are employing sensors to monitor equipment performance, predict maintenance needs, and optimize their supply chains. The transportation and logistics industry is being revolutionized by connected vehicles and smart infrastructure, leading to safer and more efficient transportation systems. Perhaps the most exciting applications of IoT are in healthcare. Connected medical devices are enabling remote patient monitoring, allowing doctors to keep track of patients' vital signs and provide timely interventions. Smart implants are transforming the lives of people with disabilities, restoring mobility and independence. The possibilities of IoT seem limitless. However, as with any transformative technology, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential risks that come with it. And when it comes to IoT, those risks are primarily centered around one critical issue: cybersecurity. The same features that make IoT so transformative also make it incredibly vulnerable to cyberattacks. Many IoT devices are designed with functionality as the primary concern, often at the expense of security. Limited processing power and memory capacity make it difficult to implement robust security measures on these devices. Adding to the problem, many IoT devices are shipped with default usernames and passwords, which are easily guessable by hackers. Manufacturers often prioritize getting their products to market quickly, neglecting to implement proper security updates and patches. This leaves devices exposed to known vulnerabilities, making them easy targets for cybercriminals. The interconnected nature of IoT devices further amplifies the risks. A single compromised device can serve as a gateway for hackers to access an entire network, potentially causing widespread damage. Imagine a hacker gaining control of a smart lock and gaining unauthorized access to a home, or worse, imagine a cybercriminal taking control of critical infrastructure such as a power grid or a transportation system. These are not just hypothetical scenarios. Real-world examples demonstrate the very real and dangerous consequences of inadequate IoT security. One of the most infamous examples of a large-scale IoT attack is the Mirai botnet. In 2016, this botnet, composed of hundreds of thousands of compromised IoT devices, launched a massive distributed denial-of-service attack that crippled major websites across the internet. The attackers exploited the weak security of these devices, mostly unsecured webcams and routers, to enslave them into their botnet army. In another chilling incident, hackers gained access to a casino's network through a connected fish tank thermometer. The hackers exploited a vulnerability in the thermometer's software to steal sensitive data from the casino's database, highlighting the fact that even seemingly harmless devices can be exploited for malicious purposes. These examples emphasize the need to take IoT security seriously. Ignoring the issue is no longer an option. The consequences of insecure IoT devices can be devastating, impacting businesses and individuals alike. For businesses, the failure to secure IoT devices can lead to significant financial losses. Data breaches can result in the theft of sensitive customer information, leading to regulatory fines, lawsuits, and irreparable damage to a company's reputation. Ransomware attacks, where hackers seize control of systems and demand payment for their release, can bring business operations to a grinding halt. Beyond financial losses, there's the issue of reputational damage. In today's digital age, news of a data breach spreads like wildfire. Customers are becoming increasingly wary of companies that fail to protect their data. A single security incident can erode years of trust and goodwill, leading to lost customers and diminished brand value. The legal and regulatory landscape is also evolving rapidly. Governments around the world are enacting stricter data protection laws, such as the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act or CCPA. Companies that fail to comply with these regulations face hefty fines and legal repercussions. But perhaps the most concerning consequence of insecure IoT devices is the potential risk to human safety. As more critical infrastructure systems become interconnected, the stakes of a cyber attack rise exponentially. A successful attack on a power grid, a transportation system, or a healthcare facility could have catastrophic consequences. Cyberoutcome Consulting, your shield in a connected world. In this rapidly evolving threat landscape, businesses need a trusted partner to help them navigate the complexities of IoT security. Cyberoutcome Consulting is a leading provider of cutting-edge cybersecurity solutions specializing in securing the Internet of Things. Our team of experts understands the unique challenges posed by IoT and is dedicated to providing our clients with the knowledge and tools they need to protect their businesses. We offer a comprehensive suite of services designed to address every aspect of IoT security, from initial risk assessments to ongoing managed security services. Our risk assessment process identifies vulnerabilities in your IoT deployments, providing you with a clear understanding of your security posture. We then work with you to design and implement a robust security architecture that mitigates those risks. Our incident response team is available 24/7 to help you respond to and recover from cyber attacks. We understand that time is of the essence when dealing with a security incident, and we have the expertise and experience to minimize the impact on your business. We also provide managed security services, taking on the responsibility of monitoring your IoT network, detecting and responding to threats, and ensuring your systems are always protected. Building a secure future for your business. At Cyberoutcome Consulting, we believe that security is not just about technology but also about people. That's why we offer comprehensive training and awareness programs to educate your employees about IoT security best practices. We empower your workforce to become the first line of defense against cyber attacks. Our approach to IoT security is holistic and proactive. We work closely with our clients to understand their unique business needs and tailor our solutions accordingly. We believe in building long-term partnerships based on trust, transparency, and a shared commitment to security. The IoT revolution is here, and it's here to stay. By embracing the power of IoT while taking the necessary steps to secure it, businesses can unlock a world of opportunities. Don't let the fear of cyber attacks hold you back from realizing the full potential of this transformative technology. Don't wait for the inevitable. Be proactive, be secure. The time to act is now. Don't wait for a cyber attack to happen to your business before taking IoT security seriously. The cost of inaction far outweighs the investment in robust security measures. By addressing vulnerabilities proactively, you can mitigate risks, protect your business, and ensure the continued success of your IoT deployments. Cyberoutcome Consulting is your trusted partner in building a secure and prosperous future for your business in the age of IoT. We are committed to providing our clients with the knowledge, tools, and support they need to navigate the ever-changing threat landscape and stay ahead of cybercriminals. We understand that taking the first step towards securing your IoT devices and networks can seem daunting. That's why we offer a free consultation to help you assess your current security posture, identify potential vulnerabilities, and discuss tailored solutions for your specific needs. Take control of your IoT security today. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Cyberoutcome Consulting today and take control of your IoT security. Our team of experts is ready to answer your questions, address your concerns, and guide you on the path to a more secure and resilient future for your business. Visit our website at www.cyberoutcome.com to learn more about our services and schedule your free consultation. Together, let's embrace the possibilities of the IoT revolution while safeguarding our businesses and our future.